I'm Ed Garber with Star CNC, National Sales Manager, and this is our brand new SD-26 Type S. It was just released on September the 1st was the press release, and we've got the machine here at IMTS. So some of the things that's different about this machine, 26 millimeters, it does have a 1-inch capacity for the bar, which is something newer for us. Some other things that make this machine special and different. It actually has 2 B-axis units on the machine. The one unit will have 4 spindles counterface, 4 that work on the main spindle, 4 spindles that work on the sub spindle. That B-axis unit has 135.5 degrees travel. So it will stop short or go past 0 by 1/2 a degree, goes all the way to 90 and an additional 45 degrees. So that gives it 135.5 degrees travel. It can be working on the main or the sub spindle with that capability, and that is a full surfacing servo-driven axis. The second B-axis unit on this machine, in this case, has 2 thread whirling units on it. It is a cartridge style position, meaning that can be removed. Other type of units can be put in there, maybe a high-speed spindle holder, slotting saws, different type of attachments on there. In this case though, it's got 2 thread whirling units, and they're both different threads on those units. So it's made for any time that there's going to be a change in the pitch, a change in the helix angle, maybe a single lead into a double lead into a quad lead, so that it can be done in one operation on the machine, whirling both of those. Our thread whirling unit has an outboard support, meaning it's attached at the top where the B-axis is controlled. There's also a support on the bottom of it for rigidity purposes. Right next to that thread whirling unit, we've got the inside of the gang unit that has the live cross-working tools there. There's 4 live cross-working tools on the inside of there. There's also a turning tool block down below that. And we go to the other side of that platen, we've got a 5-position end working, holds drill sleeve holders, static holders. You could always convert that to electric high-speed spindle stations. There's also 2 additional turning tools back there. Another thing that makes it different on this machine is that we have a back working block back here that has 4 stations by 4 stations, so 8 stations total that can be live or static. You can also accommodate live cross-working tools in there. Next to that is a turning tool block. So instead of using a non-standard type turning tool to do work on the back spindle, you use 2 stick tools for that. Another interesting part about that back working block that makes this one different is that is a dovetail construction. So it's very rigid to avoid flexes, things like that, if you're doing a heavy broach on the sub spindle, something like that. There's also 2 deep hole drilling positions right here to work on the main spindle. So you can put drill sleeves in there and gain very long holes on the main spindle. So again, this is a brand new machine for us, just released at IMTS, and please get a hold of us for more information. Thanks.